Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Sweetie Shah, Cure Plus Homeopathy Clinic, Bangalore. So today I am going to share some information regarding sinusitis. What is sinusitis? Sinusitis is inflammation in the sinus. But first, what is sinus? So sinus are the hollow cavities which is present inside our facial bones. Like we have frontal sinus, ethmoidal sinus and maxillary sinus. So frontal sinus which are appear or which are there behind this bone, frontal bone, okay, and then maxillary sinus are present around both side of the cheeks, and ethmoidal sinus are around our nose, both side of our other side of our nose. These are the hollow cavities. So these cavities are lined by the mucous membrane which secrete minimum amount of mucus, that is normal. So what this sinus help? This help to filter our air or circulate air inside and make a humid environment. Normally these are the normal condition, but if you are getting sick, if you are having cold, chronic cold, then this sinus cavity is secrete more mucus, and this mucus accumulated in these cavities and causes infection. Normally there are two types of condition: acute sinusitis and chronic sinusitis. In acute sinusitis, if this secretion is increased, and then at 5 days to 1 week it is normal, no need to take off any medication, it will cure automatically. But if this time prolonged, after 10 days also you are not feeling any betterment, then you need to take the treatment. So after 7 to 8 days, what happened, this accumulation of the mucus, in this mucus, if it is there for long time, that bacteria and other germs, virus start growing there and cause inflammation and infection. So these are called chronic sinusitis. How we know this is sinusitis? What symptoms may occur? So first symptom is nasal blockage. If your nose is totally blocked and stopped and stuffed, you are not able to breathe through the nose. You have to breathe through your mouth, and any bad smell or loss of smell is there. If you are feeling pain around your nose and in the cheekbones, mild pain is there, and pressure and pain behind your eyeballs, if you are feeling any pressure, then it is the sinusitis. Headache is always just above your eyebrows. You are having a patient having severe headache, throbbing kind of headache, he is saying like dug 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 kind of sounds comes, palpitation kind of sounds comes, okay. And other symptoms are post nasal drip. If you take a do like this, that mucus fall down behind your nose to the throat, so post nasal drip may occur. In chronic sinusitis, patient may feel fatigueness, weakness, headache, and sometimes he can get fever also. So these are the common symptoms of sinusitis. Then why this sinusitis occur? Normally, if patients are very prone to cold, cough, and if they are allergic to dust or any pollens or any kind of allergy, they are more prone to sinusitis. Or if your body is very much sensitive to cold, like cold air or any kind of cold items, if you are taking cold drinks, ice cream, anything, so they are very prone to sinusitis. In that case, you have to avoid, you have to take care of your environment, avoid dusty environment, avoid allergens or any strong smell. If you are prone to cold, don't take any cold drinks, cold foods, or avoid food directly from the fridge. So this common thing we can do. And how we can prevent or we can cure at home. So the normally whenever sinusitis occur, take a steam 2 to 3 times in a day. Steam may help to loosen the cough, and it will loosen the mucus and it will drain out. You can take a warm cloth, drain with warm water, and keep it on your face. It will also help to open the sinuses. Take warm water very frequently. Take steam, and you can use a nasal that saline spray, which also help to open your nasal passages. Normally, patient are using medicated nasal drops and nasal sprays, which is not recommendable and for a long time. If you are taking for 4 or 5 days, it is okay, it will help you. But if you are taking for long time, it will again produce stuffness in your nose. So your sinus may block again. So in this inflammation, that thick sticky mucus accumulated inside your this cavities and produce a bacteria over there. Normally, the next thing what we can do, there are no so many medicines homeopathy which we can cure the sinusitis very nicely. Initial 5-6 days no need to take any treatment, do all these home things. After that, if you are not feeling better, then start medication. In homeopathy, we individualize the patient according to their symptoms, their problems, and according to that we select the medicine. But there are some common medicines like calibicrom, Marxol, pulsatilla, calcarea carb, silicea. These are the common medicine which we use for sinusitis. So I think these are all about sinusitis. If you are having any doubt, any questions, please write down on the comment section. Bye. Namaskar.